represents a different word. So we have S, T, E, and M. Now let's think about what that S stands for. Does anybody know what does the S in STEM represent? Science! Yes! Science is all about curiosity. It's people like you and me asking questions and then designing experiments and making observations to answer those questions. What does the T in STEM represent? Technology, yes. The T represents technology. So technology is any kind of tool or process that humans create in order to solve problems and make our world better. Okay, and now we have E. What does the E in STEM represent? Engineering. Thank you for the shout out. Yes, the E in STEM represents engineering. Now, engineering is all about creative and innovative problem solving. And then finally we have M. What does the M represent? Math. Okay, so the M in STEM represents math, and math is incredibly important for helping us make predictions and understand the results that we see so that we can make good choices as we design technologies and live on this planet. We are beyond thrilled to provide such a comprehensive and exciting STEM experience for everyone here today, and to send the message